Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Kurt from ForeverFocusedMedia, and you know what you shouldn't eat before a video shoot? Stay tuned. I got you. Welcome to film school. All right, everybody, settle down. Take your seats. Welcome to film school. Class is in session. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Kurt from ForeverFocusedMedia. If you're new here, I'm a videographer / music video director. If you like learning about content creation, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together. So, if you're like me, I have a really sensitive stomach. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Look, sometimes I have shoots in the morning, sometimes I have shoots in the midday, sometimes I have shoots at night. My stomach runs on its own schedule. So like I take that into accountability when I'm gonna go do a shoot, because you never know what can happen. You know, you might be short on time, you might need that extra moment to take care of certain things, and if you're running a tight schedule, you're not really gonna have that much time. So really take accountability and know, you know, what your stomach works on and what it shouldn't. Dairy products. Look, I do not like eating dairy products in the morning. I don't like eating them in the middle of the day, and I don't like eating dairy products at night. I'm starting to think dairy's bad for you, straight up. Like, you know, ice cream, every time I eat ice cream, every time I eat cheese, every time I eat like cream cheese on bagels, that shit ruins my stomach, yo. Like, I don't even know, like, it's crazy. So yeah, dairy to me is not a smart thing to eat, you know, if you're on the way to a shoot. You might have to run to the bathroom every 10 seconds. Spicy foods. Look, don't eat spicy foods. Like, especially if you have a morning shoot or something like that and your stomach hasn't settled, your intestines are still waking up. Like, don't eat spicy food. Don't stop at Taco Bell for breakfast. Don't do none of that crazy stuff, you know? Because it's like, you know, those spices, they definitely do something to your stomach. So fast food. I wouldn't suggest eating fast food before a shoot because it's really greasy, and grease and stuff like that like loosens up your bowels. So if you're at a shoot and you're pooping 50% of the time, it's probably because you ate some fast food. You don't know if it's going to be a good day or a bad day. You know, a lot of the fast food places like Taco Bell, it's really spicy food. The food is greasy, you know, and you know the greases kind of loosen up your bowels a little bit, and you don't want to spend 50% of your shoot pooping. So people think salads are safe to eat, you know, it can eat light and all that stuff, but you have to be careful with salads because there's certain types of greens that have like magnesium in it, and magnesium contracts stomach muscles, which pushes the process along a lot quicker. Spinach has magnesium, so don't add spinach in your salad if you're gonna eat it. Also some fruits, there's like blueberries help the process of your stomach if you're constipated and stuff like that. Prunes, so those things are usually found in salads and stuff, so really be careful when you're eating salads. So water is very important for hydration. Sometimes if you're shooting outside and it's during the day, it's summer, you can feel like you're cooking out there, like it's crazy, you know, but stay hydrated by drinking water. The bad part about the water thing is if you drink too much water, it can soften your stool and it can push you to the bathroom, either make you poop or make you pee too much. And you know, the more time you stay away from shooting, the more time you'll probably be sitting there pooping. Bars. Coffee, I don't know, like I can't drink coffee in the morning. I don't know, I bet all the old people in the world that drink coffee in the morning are just like throughout the whole afternoon. So coffee never sits right with my stomach, either through the morning, the midday, or at nighttime. Yeah, so that's a list of things that I would stay away from if you're on the way to a video shoot. So if you're on the way to a shoot and you're hungry, I would suggest thinking about marathon food. These people are out there running, they're sweating, you know, they're taking the most minimal breaks possible. I would say one of the things would be like sourdough bread. You know, it's actually fermented, so anything kind of fermented is really good for your stomach. It's really light on your stomach. Bananas are great. People with marathons are always eating bananas. Okay, there's a lot of health benefits to eating yogurt before a shoot, especially if you get it with probiotics. Probiotics are really healthy. They also offer shakes with probiotics. There's just great health benefits all around. So another good thing that I would suggest eating would be pineapples. Pineapples actually gives you energy, so that's the plus side. Okay, so the reason why I decided to make this video is because one day I had a video shoot. It was an early shoot, and I'm just this story time with film school right now. So basically, I had this shoot. I went over to. It was like a studio performance type shot where they were going to be recording music and I was going to film a little performance shot for them. So I showed up to the studio when they sent me the address. But before they sent me the address and I knew where I was going, I stopped to get breakfast at McDonald's. I got the steak and egg and cheese bagel from McDonald's. My favorite thing to get at McDonald's. I went, I ate it, I ate the hash brown, all that stuff. I ate everything before I got there, trying to be prepared and all, you know. Okay, so I found out that the location wasn't an actual business location, it was an actual home studio. So I go inside this home studio and I get to start setting up and all that stuff. I got about 15 minutes before the artist shows up and I start putting my stuff together, my lights, all that good stuff. My stomach starts to twirl, yo. I'm like, oh my god, okay, I gotta use the bathroom, and I don't have enough time to, you know, go get in the car and drive somewhere to go find the bathroom. I have to use the bathroom in this guy's house. So I'm like, hey bro, you think I can borrow the bathroom real quick? He's like, yeah, sure, it's down the hall. I go, jump into the bathroom, start to do my business, and then there was no spray. He had no house spray in his house, and I just deuced in his crib, yo. Okay, so he didn't have any house spray. I found a bottle of his cologne, so I had to spray his cologne in the bathroom to mask, you know, the stench. It was kind of embarrassing. The house was pretty small, so it was super embarrassing, yo. Like, these are things that you can avoid right now by just understanding, you know, the importance of, like, you know, the scheduling between eating before you head to shoots. So I had that walk of shame moment, bro, like where like I'm just like leaving the bathroom and I'm walking into the studio. I walk into the studio, the artist is there, everybody's waiting on me now, and I'm rushing to do stuff. And this is the story that inspired this video. So hopefully you don't make the same mistakes as me. We can grow and learn together. So if I left anything out as far as food that I should or shouldn't eat, feel free to leave that thing in the comment below. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you guys tuning into film school, and don't be late to class for the next video. See you soon.